Hey everyone, this is your girl Miss Danielle back with another video. So today's video I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on personal hygiene and also showing you guys some products that I personally use to keep my personal hygiene clear and everything, and also some products as well that you guys may not be currently using that you guys can use for yourself as well. So with that being said, before we get right into today's video, remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you be notified every time I drop a video. And with that being said, let's get right into today's video. Alright, so first things first, one of the tips that you can use for personal hygiene is shaving. You definitely want to be hairless, especially during the summertime, to avoid a lot of sweat in the area where you are very hairy. And also remember, if you are considering shaving in your prime area, definitely do not do that because you will end up getting an infection. So I definitely recommend booking some type of wax appointment to wax your private area. All right, second thing is taking a shower every day. So obviously you don't want to go anywhere being musty and not being clean, so definitely make sure that you are taking a shower each and every day. All right, next thing, use soap that does your body good. I highly suggest using Dove soap, which I currently use for myself for sensitive skin, since I have a sensitive skin, body type and everything. So I definitely recommend using Dove soap. It does not have any type of fragrance or perfume smell to it. It's definitely sensitive, definitely clean, and definitely recommend for you guys to use to take a shower. All right, next thing, don't use any fragrance products for your private area. So like I just mentioned, definitely do not use any fragrance products or products that have like a perfume type of smell to it, because you definitely will end up getting an infection of that sort. So definitely make sure that when using products on your body, especially your private area, there's not something that has a fragrance smell to it. All right, next thing, moisturize with lotion. So I currently use two things. So I currently use cocoa butter lotion. I use the body oil, and I also use Cerave lotion on a daily or every now and then to switch it up to keep my body feeling smooth and moisturized each and every day, because you don't want to be out here looking ashy. So definitely do recommend using those particular products to keep your skin moisturized. All right, next thing, wear deodorant. So I also use the Dove brand when it comes to deodorant as well. I have tried other brands when it comes to deodorant, but I always wind up being musty, to be honest with you, even when I'm not hairy under my armpits, and it may be a little bit TMI, but I'm just being honest with you guys. So I definitely use products that are sensitive to my skin and won't cause any breakage with my skin or anything like that. All right, next thing is wear perfume. So it's okay to definitely wear perfume. You don't have to wear every day, but you definitely want to smell good and feel good when you go out doing things, whether it's big or small. Definitely wear perfume, but like I said before, do not use any type of fragrance product on your private areas. Next thing, use the right hair care products that won't dry your hair out. So when it comes to the hair care products, definitely get products that does not have alcohol in it, because if you do end up getting hair product that has alcohol in it, it definitely will dry your hair out and may cause some type of breakage to it. So definitely make sure that you are reading the ingredients when you are buying products, so you won't get any negative side effects to your skin, your hair, or anything like that. All right, next thing is brush your teeth, floss, use mouthwash, and brush your tongue. So definitely remember to brush your teeth each and every day. That's just pretty much common sense. You don't want to be out here with a funky breath, and definitely remember to floss so you're able to remove, you know, the food in between your teeth, and definitely remember to use mouthwash. I personally use one of the popular mouthwash brand, which is called TheraBreath, each and every day. Also, definitely recommend using that particular mouthwash, or use Listerine, which is another popular product as well. So I definitely recommend those two particular products when it comes to mouthwashing. And also remember to brush your tongue to avoid, you know, bad breath and bacteria. All right, next thing is cleansing your face. So I personally use, you know, my own skincare products for my face to definitely keep it smooth and moisturized and clean and everything. And I constantly use it each and every day just to keep everything up to date, and I also drink water as well to keep my skin looking glowy, because being a lot of times, you know, people thinking that I may be wearing, you know, makeup or anything like that, but really I'm not. I'm just keeping my skin looking pretty, clean, and fresh by making sure that I'm moisturizing my face and cleansing my face each and every day. All right, next thing is cut and clean your nails. So it's definitely important to keep your nails and toes up to date when it comes to the cleaning and everything, to avoid any type of bacteria or fungus getting under your nails. Because if you wind up not taking care of your nails and everything, you're basically going to increase the chance of you getting sick and everything. And people, for example, men, do look at, you know, your hygiene, how you keep yourself up. So that is one of the most important things to make sure that you do when it comes to making sure that you keep your nails, you know, cut and clean and up to date, whether it's natural or you going to a nail shop and getting your nails and toes done. All right, so switching gears a little bit. So now we are moving on to the personal hygiene. It relates to, you know, your period. So ladies, you know that every now and then we get our period, and we definitely don't want to make sure that we're not, you know, ready for our period. We definitely want to make sure that we are. So with that being said, I'm going to give, you know, a list of things that I'm pretty sure that you guys are pretty much aware when it comes to your period and everything. But those who don't, pretty much speaking to my teenagers who have not started their period yet, these are some things that can help you to prepare for your period. Also keep your oil in place when it comes to being on your period as well. All right, so first thing first, when it comes to your period, definitely use some panty liners. Now, you don't have to use, you know, panty liners each and every day. You just use it every now and then when you need to. It definitely helps with keeping the fishy smell, you know, from your private area. So definitely make sure that you are using some panty liners when it comes to your period and everything. All right, next thing is make sure that you have pads or tampon. Me personally, I use pads when it comes to my period, because I'm not comfortable with how people use tampons and everything. It's only one thing that I'm used to have it stick up in there, if you know what I mean. So for tampons to be sticking up in there, me personally, I don't feel comfortable with that. I just prefer using pads like I've been using since I was 13 years old, and that's what I use to this day for my period. Next thing is buy some period panties. So I just actually found out about these recently from another video that I watched that's kind of similar to the video that you guys are watching right now. So definitely go get you some period panties. I seen some yesterday when I was shopping at Target. So they come 7 in a pack. They have some that's small, medium, then they have others that are large and extra large, and they're $7.99 at Target and everything. So definitely make sure that you get some period panties, and you don't need any type of pads or panty liners or anything like that when it comes to wearing period panties. Alright, next thing is use soap and water to move period blood from panties. So this is like an old-fashioned trick that my grandmother actually taught me a long time ago. So a lot of times we do wind up messing up our panties, let's just be honest, when it comes to being on our period. So the easiest way to get rid of, you know, the stain of blood from your panties, just simply use soap and water, preferably warm water, when it comes to trying to scrub the blood off your panties and everything. And once you do that, you should be able to get the period blood from your panties and everything before throwing in a washer to get them washed and everything. Alright, next thing is change pad or tampon every 3 to 4 hours. So you definitely don't want to wear the same pad or tampon all day long, as that will also increase a fishy smell in your private area. So definitely make sure that you are changing out your pad or your tampons every 3 or 4 hours while you're on your period. Alright, and last but not least, use some pain reliever medicine for cramps. So when I first started my period, I used some medications called Perfume to help me with my abdominal pain. Now it's a lot better. I really don't experience cramps when it comes to being on my period and everything. And another medication you can also use is like Advil or it's an ibuprofen for your cramps and everything. So I highly recommend those when you are feeling, you know, cramps in your below your abdominal area and everything, so you can be able to, you know, enjoy your day and be comfortable during your period. So with that being said, that's pretty much all the tips that I have for you guys in regards to personal hygiene and preparing for your period, especially, you know, if you're a teenager and everything. If I missed anything, definitely comment down below to let other, you know, viewers and subscribers to know who may watch this video and everything. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your bell notifications so you be notified every time I drop a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.